To change system navigation on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go into the system. And as you are here, go for the system navigation. And from here, you can select the free button navigation and the gesture navigation. We will start with this free button navigation. So as you select it, here you can change the button layout, and you can find additional layout with the fourth button, which as you select and as you press this button, this will open up the quick settings menu. So that's pretty useful. And here additionally you have this circle to search, which when you touch and hold the home button or the gesture guide bar, will start searching for content on the screen. So here's the switch to actually toggle it on or off, and that's pretty much it for the free button navigation. Now let's take a look at the gesture navigation. Let's select this one, and here if you are using these gestures for the first time and you're actually selecting this gesture navigation for the first time, you are being asked if you want to learn how to navigate through the gestures. So you can simply press this learn button to take a look at how to do all of this, and you can simply cancel and select do not remind you again. So I will actually press to cancel this one, and here you can find this category right here to learn gestures. So in case if you forgot something or you want to know, you will be able to find it just right here. Here you can find these visuals which will tell you precisely how you can perform such and different actions. And here there are a couple of different actually two additional settings, which is the sensitivity of these gestures for the left edge and right edge. And as you can see, as you adjust these settings, right now I'm adjusting the settings of this right edge, and you can see that we get highlighted this right edge and the sensitivity of this area where it works, and the same applies to the left edge. You can set up this sensitivity to low or high, and additionally same as in the button navigation, you can find this circle to search function to toggle. And that's pretty much it. That's all that you need to know about how to change the system navigation. Simply select any of these, adjust the settings however you like, and that's it. You're all set up.